When replacing a refrigeration door gasket, getting the right fit starts with identifying the correct profile and taking accurate measurements. In this video, I'll show you how to do both so you can order with confidence. The first step is identifying the correct gasket profile. This is crucial for getting the right fit and ensuring an airtight seal. AllPoints carries 100+ different gasket profiles. Compare your existing gasket to our online profile guide to find the best match. If you're unsure, you can order a sample gasket ring on our website. Once you've identified the profile, grab a tape measure. Always measure from the outside edge to the outside edge of your existing gasket. If your gasket is stretched or worn, take the most accurate measurement possible. Start by measuring the horizontal length from one outer edge to the other. Next, measure the vertical length the same way, from outer edge to outer edge. Most refrigeration door gaskets are 4-sided, forming a complete seal around the door. However, some walk-in coolers and pass-through units use 3-sided gaskets. You'll know because there's no gasket at the bottom, just a door sweep. If you're replacing a 3-sided gasket, it's important to specify the configuration. The most common setup is 2 long sides and 1 short side, common for walk-ins. Less commonly, some setups have 1 long side and 2 short sides, common for drawers. Start with the horizontal length from left to right. Measure from the outer edge on one side to the outer edge on the other side. Before finalizing your measurements, inspect your gasket's condition. If it's severely worn or misshapen, it could affect accuracy. Take the best possible measurement to ensure a snug fit. Once you've taken all your measurements, double check them for accuracy. Remember, measure twice, order once. Now you're ready to order your custom gasket. Need help placing an order? Check out our video on how to order a custom gasket for step-by-step guidance. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to measure and order with confidence.